Lolu hlelo uhlelo for mid-career professionals. Luthatha abantu especially from developing countries ukuthi bazozithuthukisa for leadership role. Leadership is either ku-private sector or ku-public sector. Luhlelo for 10 months. Abanye I think 157 from amazwe onke. Abanye nje bakuma university amanye eAmerica. Yes.
So awungitshele kulezi zalwane ezingake zaseZimbabwe esikhona kulolu hlelo.
Singu-3 sibathathu but yes.
And nonke niphumelele. All of you successful. 100%.
Abanye bagraduate omunye izolo, omunye I think uyagraduate kusasa. I'm not so sure.
Okay.
Yes, phumelele.
Okay.
Yes.
So awungitshele ke mnumzane, uhlelo lo luchiyane okungakanani nalolu hlelo lukamongameli welemelika odlule umongameli Barack Obama iyali program?
Lolu hlelo, I'm not so sure about content yali, but lolu hlelo is targeted really, it's so flexible. Ukuthi awulu focus kakhulu kwa academia. Ukufika nje is an exchange program. So uyafika lapha ukwanisa ukuthi usebenze futhi for I think kule requirement ukuthi kumele usebenze for 6 weeks as part of the program. So kule flexible, so hlelo lelwana ukuthi it's a non-degree program. It's a non-degree program just for leadership and professional development.
So wena ubuka umsebenzi onjani?
Mina kathesi ngisebenzela elinye i-organization esebenza ngamalungelo abasebenzi, workers' rights, okuthiwa i-Solidarity Center. Ikhona khona DC.
Okay.
Yes.
So awungitshele manje mnumzane, lokho sokufundileyo kulolu hlelo kuzasiza kanjani umphakathini kwelekhaya?
Mina vele ngithanda amalungelo ezisebenzi. I'm hoping ukuthi ngizafika ngale lami ngizama ukucontribute ukuthi ngithuthukise amalungelo abasebenzi, lama human rights, the social justice. So ngibone ngani lami ngizakwanisa ukuthi ngifike ngale ngenza into ekhanyayo ukuthi ngithuthukise amalungelo abasebenzi.
So last question mnumzane, uyazi kulaba kulezi zalwane ezisakhulayo eziningi ezikhala bathi hayi Mike ngifuna uyofunda kwelemelika, bafuna ungena uhlelo something just like this.
Okay.
Bangangena kanjani?
Ba apply through embassy. I think the application process for 2017 and 2018 is evaluated, but they can apply next year. Applications are enjoy a year before, so it's quite a long process. Bang apply through embassy, bahambe bayenza ama interviews, ba shortlist, and then ba send them applications America. America na is select futhi. Kodwa kumele bayenquire embassy eZimbabwe.
Kodwa kunzima ukugakanani ukungena uhlelo njalo?
Kunzima ngoba I think i-embassy now I receive more than 100 applications.
Sure.
Yes, so selection process ankhona is quite, but uya ngokuthi ngoba ba target ama areas. Abanye ba public policy, abanye ku agriculture. So every year ba shift i-target area. Understand ukuthi now akula muntu ozabuya here eWashington for next year. I think bazahamba kwezinye indawo.
Okay, ngiyabonga butwami. Wathi ngithi congratulations one more time.
Thanks a lot.
And we wish you the best of luck for everything.